Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Lomani and today I'm going to talk to you about the EBI of naturalistic intervention. EBI, also known as evidence-based interventions, are treatments that have been proven effective in changing target behaviors. Target behaviors can be any behavior that has chosen for change, whether it's biting, off task, or self-injury. Naturalistic intervention. So what naturalistic intervention does, it integrates the principles of applied behavior analysis, also known as ABA, into the natural environment. So that can be for the learner's everyday environment, such as going to school. What does the learner do in the morning time? Do they brush their teeth first, then eat breakfast, or do they eat breakfast, then brush their teeth? Or do they go to the park every day at 3 o'clock? Like, what is their natural environment? ABA is a therapy that's based on the science of learning the behavior. So we're trying to learn why a person does what they do and how can we change it, or how can we change that behavior for something different. When it comes to social communication, so many learners of ASD struggles with social communication, and naturalistic intervention can be used in the learner's natural environment to increase the target success of social communication and decrease the problem behavior. Then we also have to look at the everyday routines and activities for the learner. So what time do they eat? What time do they play? Getting dressed in the morning. Is there any family outings? Bath time? What activities will you most be able to get the learner to engage in? And a tip for anybody using naturalistic intervention is that you want to build communication and language in a natural environment. So if the child is playing and maybe they pick up a toy car, you as the instructor or the facilitator, wow, what a pretty blue car, so that way you help build that language for them. So, commonly used EBIs in naturalistic intervention, one is modeling. That's where the instructor will demonstrate desired behavior. So I will model the behavior for the learner, and then the learner will follow me based off of that model. The second is prompting. Prompting can be visual, gestural, or physical assistance given to the learner. So I can point to what I want the learner to do, or I can do like an eye gaze to help them understand what I'm asking them to. So with this infographic, it also helps provide families or educators a breakdown of the EBI and how to use it and how to implement it, as well as some questions to consider when you may feel stuck or if the learner is not achieving the goals that you set forth for the learner. And then also here at the bottom, there's some references. So in case anybody wants to go back and review, they'll know exactly where the information came from. And this is my infographic on naturalistic intervention. Thank you.